Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 7th, 2019. Giving you all the news according to the charts. Because the market doesn't follow fundamental analysis, it doesn't care about a company's assets, liabilities, earnings, production, GDP, business performance. It doesn't even matter. The only thing that matters is what one is willing to pay for an asset. Talking about Tesla. Last time we did our video for Tesla, you guys can recall that we were looking for the market to continue to move to the downside. Definitely want to thank you all for watching our video, and we're going to give you all an update on this stock today. Weekly chart in the market for Tesla. Well, let me move to a daily real quick. And you can see right here on the daily time frame that the market in Tesla did come and touch the bottom portion of our profit area. Very good to see that. So since that was a very profitable simulated trade, and you guys can see that we saw that coming well in advance before the market actually did it, tells us that we understand precisely what the market's going to do without any confusion. So let's get rid of that. And as you can tell, that the market is coming across this 200 all the way up there to $210 price, and that is where we're getting sellers coming into the market, and that's not a positive thing to note in this space for Tesla. Now the 3-hour chart continues to reflect the same thing. The market with these high volume price bars continue to show you that stockpile is coming into this coin and into the stock right there at our ascending line, and you can tell that right here. Okay, weekly chart, this is where this crucial market in Tesla needs to break above in order for it to move to the upside. Now this is a very wide spread on the weekly bar, so yes, we are seeing some continuation of strength coming to the market in Tesla. Support now has to be around $200. Support has to allow it to break back above this ascending line, and readily might even happen next week because a complete drop has occurred in Tesla. Okay, so let's bring it back on in a little closer. Again, that's the only concern I have, is that the market is reflecting a lot of stockpile coming in around the $210 price. 4 hour, we're still getting that same depiction. It looks as if the market is trying to keep and have and absorb all of the selling that is coming to the market now. So as of right now, I would be looking for Tesla to continue its progressive movement higher, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to create a buy position. Okay, now the market in Tesla is going to have to come back and fill in. Now the support area is going to be at $200. Okay, so that's where we're going to try to hold this particular stock in, and this is going to be a very short order of simulated trade for Tesla. I'm not expecting the market to have a completely blown out expectation of higher prices. I am expecting it to try to come and trade in between these particular areas. And when you look at it on the 3-hour time frame, the market has already came and filled in this particular gap. This next area is going to be right there around that 225. So I am looking for Tesla to continue to move to the upside. We're going to utilize this price target in the market for Tesla to continue to move higher, and we're looking for it to try to come in and at least try to fill in this particular gap there in the market. Okay, so overall, I am looking for Tesla to move higher. It has to hold support around $199. If it breaks below that, then we'll take that as a loss and move on to the next trade, next simulated trade. But as of right now, I'm seeing that the market is trying to come in and buy up some of the selling that is being seen on these price charts. Okay, so even the 45-minute bars, we're getting some indications of some weakness now, but the volume is drying up. So we still got some continuation of movement to the upside to go through in Tesla. So 9% movement to the upside. I'm really am not seeing that just yet, especially looking here on the 45-minute bars. You can see a pretty good resistance area can be right here between 220 and 216. Okay, so let's play that out. We just moved it down a little bit lower because I really am not seeing the market in Tesla really hitting that 225 just yet. But if that strength come in next week, that's something that's a possibility. But either way it go, we're looking for this stock to continue to move to the upside. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion, and definitely check us out at our website. I'm telling you, there's multiple ways for you to pay for our services. You can pay through PayPal, as well as through our internal payment processor. And from there, you guys will have access to content that is not available anywhere else. And you'll be in the know of any changes that we see occurring in the market. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.